Welcome to my backyard. This is where Zavala's barbecue got its start. Is it not beautiful? Welcome to my backyard. I'm Joe Zavala.
And I'm CJ Ramirez. And today, what are we making, Joe?
What are we making? We got some wild game. We got some Panther City beef rub. We're going to use their Southside Fort Worth barbecue sauce. What are we doing, CJ?
So in true Texas fashion, we have venison.
What are you doing with the venison?
If you've ever seen a backstrap, you know what a mule dick is.
What?
Yep.
What goes in it?
We got some jalapeno. We got some mushrooms. We got some cream cheese. We got some cheese. And toothpicks don't go in it, but it's to wrap it. And then we have our beautiful Wright's bacon.
So, before we get this thing wrapping around, let's get some coals and put it on the mill scale. Does that sound like a plan?
Sounds like a plan.
All right, let's go. Let's get that shovel. Let me get my beer. There's nothing like a Lone Star right now. Let's check out this fire. Ooh, look at those coals right there.
That's a fire.
I want you to go ahead and get some of those coals, and we're going to walk right that way and get it nice and loaded up. Don't be scared. Hit it all, take it all the way back. There you go. There you go. Oh, yeah, it is hot, dog. It is hot. Go get some more. We need a lot more. Ooh, look at this yakitori. Mill scale all up in here. This is my favorite thing to cook with. Like, it's just a lot of fun. Like, you truly can't burn anything on here because all you have to do is just change the level. You go from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 levels. Are you kidding me?
Is that hot?
Oh, you got me. Oh, man, that's what I'm talking about. Let's get some more coals. Go get some more. We're going to spread these out so we can start. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. We have enough coals over there? Or we need some more?
I think we're cold out.
All right. Man, this is so nice. Wow. There we come. Nice and hot.
My eyes are burning.
Did you get it?
My eyes are burning.
Oh, yeah, that's enough coals right there. We're good. All right. And we will be back because we're going to go prep. Now it's time to prep. Let's throw some cream cheese down. We're just going to throw a little dabble. Just make it a little, oh, there you go. There's a little dab. No. We're going just right here. There, we're rolling this way. That's how we want it.
Okay.
Throw a little bit right there. Yep. That was perfect. Let's throw some cheddar cheese in there.
Cheddar makes everything better?
Oh, yeah. Cheddar makes better. Ooh, don't be stingy, dog. Come on. Come with it. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Mm-hmm. Yep. How spicy do you feel?
No Tums.
All right. We'll just go a little spice. Just a little spice. Add some mushrooms. Let's go right there. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, buddy. All right. So, you know what time it is.
Time to roll.
Do you know how to roll?
More of a pipe guy, but...
Okay. We're going to make it nice and tight. Make it tight. Get it tight. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Yes. Oh, perfect. Let's get the next one. Bro, you've done this a time or two.
Maybe I have.
Look at that. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Get it. All right. Let's get some bacon. Let's get some bacon. And I'm sorry, we're not getting paid by Wright Bacon, but Wright Bacon is the only best bacon for you to use.
Man's got a point.
Oh, no. Let's like, yeah, there you go. Just like you rolled it, you want to roll with that bacon. Let's see if we can get it with 1. If not, we'll get 2.
I'm over 2 bacon kind of guy.
Okay. That's what's up. Bro, we don't think we need to use a toothpick. I think we're good. We're going to go no toothpick unless you feel like we need one.
We'll send it.
Bro, that's like a deer popper.
Backstrap chode, if you may.
Backstrap chode. Okay, I like it. Oh, you may be good with just one there, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Hey, let's hit this with Panther City beef rub. Damn, bro. You've seasoned a time or two, haven't you?
Summer 92, I worked for Dickies.
That's what's up. Bro, this looks amazing.
Amazing.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm really excited to eat this. All right, let's take it to the grill. We are gonna make sure that we have enough heat, and we're just gonna chill. I'm gonna take this up to level 3, and let's just throw them on there. Oh yeah. There we go.
We'll be back.
Bro, it's time to bring the heat. Let's take it down to a level 1. And we're gonna just start flipping it, and all we wanna do is crisp up the bacon. Once the bacon's done, that means the meat's done, I promise you. There you go, flip it over. We're just gonna keep on flipping it over. Just let it ride. Just let the baby, let it go.
Let it do its magic.
Let it do its magic. And we're just gonna keep on flipping it.
Be back.
Woo! Look at that bacon right there. It's about time to pull, bro. Let's go. Look at that right there. That mill scale does not play on this grizzly block right here. We're gonna let it rest. What do you think, CJ? 5 minutes, 2 minutes? Right, eat it right now?
Half a beer.
Half a beer?
Be back in a minute.
So this is rested. We have a buddy of ours here, Greg, who eats way too much barbecue. We have crawfish bowl going on right now. He saw this and he was like, wait, is that backstrap? We're like, yeah. He said, is that bacon? We're like, yeah. Is that jalapeno? We said, of course. He said, is that cream cheese and cheddar cheese? We said, only the best. And one of his favorite places in Fort Worth is Panther City. So he's excited to try the sauce with our rub. And here we go. Slice it up and we're gonna pour some of this. I think it's some of the best barbecue sauce in the game. Oh, yes. CJ, you know what you're doing,
Let's
aren't
get you a middle piece here.
Yeah.
I need the 4th piece.
Oh, okay, 2 more. Hey, Leonard, where's the caviar at? We forgot it. My bad. That was my. No, he needs 1 more. That's the 3rd. Give him the 4th. Don't be stingy. There you go. Ooh, look at that. You're right. The perfect medium. We're all gonna take one. No.
Dang.
Dang.
You ready?
Let's go. Let's dip it.
Hit it up, boys.
Where's yours at, bro? You cooked it.
I want to see if it's good first. Try it.
Okay. That's what's up. That Panther sauce goes really good with deer. Again, bbqdistro.com. Come out to Speakeasy. Located at Moscofico, 105 West Main Street, downtown Grand Prairie. And I promise you, you can make this at home too.
See you next time.